Yeah.
Hey guys, how are you?
Hello.
Hello. Hi,
Nice
Harjit.
to
I'm
see
fine.
you
Oh,
again.
yeah. Same
Same
here.
here.
Same here.
See you.
Okay, this is our third week, right? And
Yes.
hope you are doing well and enjoying your
Yes.
life.
Yes. We are.
Absolutely.
Oh, good. Very good. Energy has to be very strong, you know. When the energy is strong,
Yes.
you are strong. Emotion, energy in motion. You know, that should be the our thing. Emotion. We are emotional being, right?
Yes.
Okay. So let's.
I in fact got breakthrough. I want to say that I got a breakthrough. Means I was
Wow.
able to recognize my
Wow.
state, which I
Really?
was not earlier.
Okay. Can you
Good.
please?
Good. Congratulations. That's a
Yeah,
good job.
thank you.
Yeah, we
I
should
mean,
clap for
I
that.
used to, whenever my mother used to scold me, I used to go into a bad state and just cry and spend my whole day in that way. But now, when she scolds me, then sometimes I go it's a good that average state, and I try to think how I can make myself to go at a good state,
Wow.
which was not possible earlier. So thanks to
Very,
you.
Wow.
very,
That's really a good breakthrough.
very good. I think if you have some breakthrough, because she has already said what state she was in, that was actually my next question, but she already given the answer. So I don't want to ask that to her again. So yes, Radha, have you have any breakthrough, like the state, understanding of the state because of the personality test what you have taken? And the states which we have discussed last week, that's very good state, average state, below average state, and the destructive state. So what do you have
Yeah.
experienced?
Like, see, whenever, like, from the last week, that is what my observation is. I'm seeing, so how many times I'm in a good state and why I'm in a bad state. So if I'm in a bad state, how I to overcome that and how to become a good state. So this is what I'm doing from the last week, and like most of the time in the last week, I'm in a good state.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I think one of our participants is out.
No, no, she has come. She has come.
Welcome back. How is your state now? Which state you are now, Raki? I like that. That's the happy state. Yes. Okay. Good. Yeah, we can do that. Actually, that's the struggle in our daily life, that we are. You don't know when the things are going to pop in. You know.
Yes.
It's a bit difficult to understand. Hey, baby. Okay. Relax. Just relax. That's because that's the challenge in the moment. That is the state where we are be going to be checked. Okay, let it be,
Yeah.
don't worry. Okay, we will manage. Okay, so let's talk about what we are going to discuss today, and we are going to do some activity. We have already done one activity, right? You have the experience. Now we are going to do a activity. It's called wheel of life. Okay, there is a wheel is mostly round. Okay,
Yes.
if the thing is round, you can rotate it as where you want, like a wheel of a car, a wheel of a cart, right? Any wheel which is exactly round can move easily, right? I think if you remember, I don't know, I used to play वो जो साइकिल का टायर होता है तो उसको घुमा
Yeah.
घुमा
Yes. We even when in my childhood I used to play that.
so if
Yeah.
the tire is square, so it's not going to move, right? So
Yes.
that is the challenge, right? So we have in our life, we have some areas of our life, right, which are related to us, which are related to our family, which are related to our friendship, which are also related to our career, and our where we stand, right? So this is the exercise which we are going to do. Just let me little bit give you little steps to do so. So the first step will be will giving you broadcasting the tool for you. Okay, then you have to log in there, right? When you log in, there will be sequence of actions you are supposed to take. Okay, so it will be like I will be giving you the login from my hub, coaching hub. Okay, that's the first step. Second step is there will be a series of questions about your each area of your life, right? Each area of your life, and you have to be very very cautious and very, what you can say, truthful to yourself, and it has to be from the gut, like, okay, I know it. Yes. You need to feel that. Okay. Okay, yes, the points which you are going to give, the points can be from 1 to 10. Whatever. 1 is like very low, right? You rate yourself, you are very low at this, and 10 is like you're the best. Okay, you have everything in that. Don't give 5, because 5 is like तुम यहाँ भी नहीं हो वहाँ भी नहीं हो, so तुम कहाँ भी नहीं हो actually. So don't give 5, give it 4 or 6. Hope this is clear. Okay. So third step is like, after all the question are finished, you hit the button, right? The submit button, which is there. That will generate your final result. It will show you how does it look like, and maybe you may be surprised to see the wheel is not a wheel now. A wheel may be something like a lotus flower, or maybe like a broken window. Okay, so that's how our life will be. So be cautious and that's okay, and that is one of the reasons that we are doing this exercise. I hope you have got it, and I request you, so I'm giving you the access now. Just go through it and do the exercise right now in front of us, because it is important right now. Okay, so let's go. You have few minutes. Please go ahead.
Yes.
Okay, so welcome back. Right. How you found the exercise?
It was interesting. Means if telling someone doing something with honesty, that where I am currently, this was somewhere challenging, where we don't expose ourselves that where we are at the moment. So it was good. I
See,
got to know the way what where I have to work on.
see, understand this. This wheel of life is for you. You are not going to show to any other ones. You know that where you stand, right? So that is the reason I told you it has to be from gut and it has to be from the feeling. So that is really more important. Yes. How was your experience, Radhakrishnan?
Yeah, like I felt very happy. I haven't thought about my life, like how is my life will be like, in which area I'm standing. Like when I have done this, I came to know that, oh my God, I have to work on a lot of things. So that is a real breakthrough to me. Like if I haven't done this exercise, I don't know where I'm standing. But after doing this, I came to know that, oh my God, so here, this is the thing. I am here and I am here in some areas. Like these areas are very important to me.
Yes.
Thanks for that. Like it's a
Okay.
really good thing.
I would like to share my experience when I first did the exercise. I thought, okay, round hair, so it's not the issue actually. So I rated according to my understanding where I am standing right now. Starting, yes, I got 8, 6, 8. I said, this is okay. So in career, in health, when it came, so I was like, wow, what is this? Then when after doing the exercise, when we got the result, when we saw the wheel, it is like वो खिड़की टूटी हुई है. So that was like, wow, this wheel is not going to work. Definitely, it will never be a zero type or a whole circle. Life is not like that, right? Nobody is perfect. We will be good in some area, we will not be good in some area. And but try to push ourselves as close to 10 as possible, right? That's what we are going to discuss. So let's talk about a few areas of your life. Like Raki, which two area of yours are stronger? And why?
Strongest in life.
Yeah, strongest in life. Yes.
Health and learning and personal growth. I have rated myself as 6.
Okay. And second area,
Second area I have rated is learning and personal growth.
Personal growth. Okay, it's 6. Okay. Why you think it's a 6 like?
Because since other areas are not working with me as per my current circumstances, so I am being most of the time with myself. So I'm trying to spend most of the things to learn new things or to work on my health, doing exercises or making myself mentally strong.
Okay, okay, okay. So I am really wondering, you are saying 6 is your highest. So according, if you see 6, he is not highest actually.
Not too higher because here also I have to make more efforts.
Okay, okay,
I want to be at 9, but I don't know how to go there. So that's a question mark. But this is what I felt that I am at the moment at this stage.
okay, okay. So are you clear
I,
about? You are clear
yes,
about
yes.
that? Okay, okay. And give me 2 areas of your life where you are weaker.
Uh, Definitely clear career and wealth. I have rated career as 1 and wealth 2.
Okay,
I really need to work on
that's
career
very
because
low.
what I wanted to do, I was not able to do, and I have no clarity that what I actually want to do.
Okay.
So
So
that's why I rated myself as very low.
okay, okay. And what do you think? Which area you need to focus on? Critic. What is the criticality of the work you need to do on which areas of your life?
One is career, definitely, and the second one is wealth.
Okay,
Because if I get a clarity on my career that what I really want to do and how I can achieve it, then all my will be at a good place, at a good standard. I will be able to improve my score from 1 to 6 or 7.
okay. So I'm just wondering, Raki, if you can connect this with the personality you are. You said you were worker, right? What was that? What was your personality type?
Helper.
Helper. If you're a helper, right? If you are not able to help yourself, think about it, how this wheel of life is connecting with that. This is
Yeah,
what you
that's why
think.
I took the very strong decision to join CTF, because
Okay.
this was something that I felt that this is going to, if I won't take this opportunity, then definitely I will spend my whole life the way I used to be. I need to seriously take a right decision.
Okay.
And I believe first time I have taken the right decision to join CTF.
Okay.
And this is going to change my world.
So
And I'm experiencing it.
okay, got that. And are you aware of what you are going to do? What are the needs to be required to improve here? What are the action you can take so that you can improve?
For example, I have always interest in finance sector, so I want to be more. I want to gain more clarity that how to explain finance things to others. Though I have understanding, but how to communicate with others, how to explain them the each point. That step I want to know, and also I want to make impact in others' life to come beyond, means to do what they always wanted to do, because some people what they do, they sacrifice, and I don't want to be someone who want to sacrifice uh, my belief of what I actually want to do. So this is my, I came here with this purpose to take up those people who are stuck in their life. I took this opportunity. Maybe there are many people who don't know about this,
Got that. Got that.
so I
And
will be a sound for them.
and definitely I think the more we will go further, you will be getting more clarity, which will help you to grow yourself. Okay. Thank you for sharing. I really appreciate your hard work, what you have done, right? And you are now clear about where you stand. In the future coming programs, we will come to know that how we can overcome that and how we can move ahead. Okay. Thank you for sharing. Radhakrishnan, would you like to share your things, like the exercise you have done? How
Yeah,
you
so one of my strongest areas are like health, relationship, and friends and family. So these three are highly. I have rated at around 7.
okay, good. And what makes you that, like?
Like I do care a lot of health.
Okay,
Like I regularly I do exercise. Like every day I go at least 5 kilometers walk. So at any circumstance, whatever the things go, but I go for a walk. So like I do care of my health.
okay,
So that is the reason why I have given score at around 7. And my friends and family, I have a lot of respect to my family, and they do care me. Like I really love my family and my relationship. And nowadays, like my relationship is growing very good. Like I said that I'm blessed with a baby girl, and nowadays, like even my relationship is in a high extent now.
Good, good, very nice. And which two areas of your circle are weaker?
Like my career and positions are very weak.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think? Why they are why they are weaker?
Like as I said, like I don't have some kind of clarity. So what I have to do? I am doing something, but I'm not satisfied over there. Even I want to do something, I'm going there and I'm thinking I cannot do it
Okay.
because of something. So I need a clarity. So that is the main reason why I have joined here. You so to get a clarity on my life. So why I'm being like this. So what is the real thing I want? I know what I want, but why I'm not getting. So this is a clarity I want. So
Okay. Where do you see that you need to critically work on? Like it's critical to work on that area. And tell me
my
why and
career,
how. Okay.
career. I want to work on my career.
Okay. Why and how?
Like see career, I'm doing a job like which is not at all satisfactory to me.
Hmm.
Like I have done the alternately I have done the course and I just want to join that. So if I do that, then eventually all my things will be becoming good. Like my if I get a good salary, my positions will increase, my finances will be increased, even my relationship is also everything will be good. So I'm looking for the one thing, so that which I'm very passionate.
Okay. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you, both of you, for sharing your experience about this wheel of life. So I have one question before we leave, and uh, for the next program, coming week, what one thing you got out from this exercise you have done? Share one thing that you really got. This is I got the clarity by doing wheel of life.
Like I got the clarity where I'm standing. Like so, there are 8 categories which are very important to each and every individual. Now I came to know where I'm standing. So what I have to improve. So before I don't know that. Before I haven't done, but now I came to know that where I'm standing, how I have to take that to the next level. So that is what I understood, and it's really good. Thank you for that.
Thank you for sharing. And Raki, what one thing that you got out of this exercise from wheel of life? What you really got out of from this life?
I felt that uh, I was someone who was not ready to take any responsibility,
Ah,
no ownership in my life, and this
great.
was the main reason of my backfall.
Okay.
I used to do the procrastinate things, miss excuses because of somebody it is happening, because of somebody it was happening. But the real person who was I was not responding that why it is happening.
Okay.
And now I just taking the ownership of it.
Okay.
Let the things go.
That's
This is what
real.
clarity I got with the help of Wheel of Life is if I really want to improve my career, then I have to take ownership. I have
Good.
to do anything
Good.
to
Good.
achieve it.
So you are really achievers, right? I am able to see little transformation happening in your life, right? From the first week, we just got introduced to each other, right? We got it. Now we are more open to each of us, right? And the second week we have done the personality test where we saw ourselves where how we are, right? I also got really. I am also learning from you, like with your experience. I'm also able to understand. Okay, these are the things which can happen with other people as well. So I'm really thankful to you for sharing your depth from your life, and I'm also honored to be part of this coaching session, which will definitely help me also improve from inside and outside. And definitely, you may have also seen this the week which we are going. The progress is happening, maybe steady and slowly, maybe slowly, and in the future, maybe quickly. Okay, so I'm really thankful for you and hope you enjoy this session as well
Yes.
for that, and definitely you are going to enjoy the session which is going to come. Okay,
Yeah. Thank you.
Thoroughly
Thank
enjoyed.
you.
all the best and do your best. Check work from the personality and see where the wheel of life is and try to connect it, right? And put one step Further, check your state of mind where you are and act accordingly.